Hello everyone, today I'm discussing the latest topic, macOS Ventura compatibility. Can Ventura run on your Mac? You've heard all about the new features that will be added to Macs later this year with macOS Ventura. You may now be wondering if your Mac will be able to update to the next version of macOS when it comes out. Well, we're here to tell you if Ventura will work with your Mac. Every Mac won't be able to install Ventura, so this year even more Macs won't be able to get the latest version of macOS. Here are the system requirements for macOS 13 Ventura. However, just because your Mac can run Ventura doesn't mean you'll get all of its features. The new parts of macOS Ventura. You might also see what macOS version can my Mac run? Especially if you have an older Mac, this is useful. The following Macs can use macOS Ventura. MacBooks that came out in 2017 or later. Models of MacBook Air made after 2018. MacBook Pro models made after 2017. Mac Mini models released in 2018 or after. 2019 and subsequent iMac models. Apple iMac Pro, all models. Will Ventura run on my Mac? Do you want to know whether your Mac will be able to run Monterey? We detail the Macs that are compatible with the latest version of macOS below. Ideally, the description will help you identify your Mac. Otherwise, read, what model of Mac do I have? MacBook models released in 2017 or after. MacBook Air versions released in 2018 or after. MacBook Pro models released after 2017. Mac Mini models released in 2018 or after. iMac models released in 2019 or after. Apple iMac Pro, all models. Models of the 2019 Mac Pro. For more details, click on the below link. Thank you for watching.